Hi, this is chapter 9, overview of the chapter 9. If you look at when you open this solution, you will see two projects here, the library project and the Android application project, and I am using Visual Studio Community Edition. If you open the library project and the counter lib, it's a basic simple class file. What it does was it has an increment by 1 and gets an integer value, and it increment by 1 and then returns that value. And then when you go back to the Android application, you will see this main activity CS, and then under resources, layout, you will see main XML file for the layout, and this is the basic layout, and it has a button. It says hello world, click me. And then you go back to this main activity CS, you will see we have referenced the library here, chapter 9 Android library, and again inside the references you will see the same, the Android library is referenced. And again in the activity, we will on create method, we will have a button, we'll find in the button, and then we'll create a button click event. What it does was, here we have this creating of this class library, and then it's a private variable, integer variable count, and then it increments by 1 and stores that value and stores in the button text. It stores in the button text. Let's execute it. Now we have the eliminator. It says click, says don't click, it counts the number of clicks. Let's stop the debugging.